कंगना, हम सब जानते हैं आप हर चीज़ के लिए बेबाक हैं और अपनी उसी बेबाकी के लिए आप जानी जाती हैं। बहुत बार स्टेज पे भी जिक्र करा गया कि आप बहुत जो किरदार आपने जिया वो बिल्कुल आपकी ज़िंदगी को कहीं ना कहीं दर्शाता है, बताता है। आज सुबह आप थोड़ी भावुक हो गई, उसकी वजह जानना चाहूँगा। और जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि जया जी का किरदार आपकी निजी ज़िंदगी को बहुत ज़्यादा बताता है, जिस वक्त आप शूट कर रही थी आपको कब कब महसूस हुआ कि अब ये घर टूटा, अब ये हुआ, अब ये हुआ, जो सिक्वेंसेस आपकी लाइफ में भी चल रहे थे? अब मैंने रिएक्ट किया, अब सामने वाले ने रिएक्ट किया, अब मैंने जवाबी कार्रवाई करी, जैसा आप खुद भी बता रही हैं।
उसके लिए आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी। हाँ, आप फिल्म नहीं देखना चाहते, मुझसे सुनना चाहते हैं सब। यू हैव टू सी द फिल्म फॉर दैट। एंड आई गॉट वेरी इमोशनल बिकॉज आई जस्ट फील दैट in terms of the way, since I have been successful, usse pehle to nobody cared about me before 2014, but after 2014 since I've been successful, there have been a lot of friction in my environment, whether it's people from competition or whether it is mafia, you know, or whosoever. Maybe my mistakes, or maybe I'm too confrontational, maybe you know, I like to be say what I feel, whatever it is, but it's been a very traumatic time for me ever since I have been successful. And now, you know, and it just got worse and worse. But for for me to receive national award on my birthday, and for this very kind group of people who have been absolutely kind to me, like I mentioned this morning, that in South industry, you know, there may be nepotism, but there's no groupism, no bullying, targeting, harassment of outsiders. In fact, you don't feel like an outsider. They own you, they involve you, they're very inclusive of you, and they're absolutely respectful. The way they respect you as a woman, and the way they even interact with you, it is just so overwhelmingly nice, especially because, like I said, you know, whether it is the friction with media, I'm getting banned by the media, or I'm getting banned by the film industry, or getting banned by the heroes. Everywhere I'm getting banned, and suddenly I find this amazing group of people who have only and only, their interest is only in the film. They only care about the product. Everybody goes home. Nobody does blind items or bitches about anyone. And you don't wake up in the morning and you'll be like, oh my God, who has done this nasty piece of PR? Nobody's spreading nasty stories about you. Nobody ganging up with you on with media. Nothing, just pure work and pure talent. It has been such an overwhelming experience, and I've been really enjoying it. And then my director gifted me such a beautiful piece of cinema, and my team has been very kind to launch it on my birthday. And then national award happened, and I just felt so full, and I just felt like it's such a wonderful, like rarely you feel that way. I don't know how many of us just fail to feel that way every morning. I just felt so happy to be alive and to be born and to be brought into this world. And I was just so full of gratitude for my parents and everyone, and I just broke down. But yeah, I will always remember this very special